Hi. It's been an interesting few days. Yes, I've been listening to the news, and I'm also seeing a lot of sad news and stressful news and stuff that makes me pretty angry at the same time. So reading my Just for Today, which is something that helps on this journey a lot, having a copy of some principles and being able to read something that reminds me why I am choosing to stay in my recovery and stay focused. And today's reading was about our higher power. And I hope that anywhere along in your day today that you find love and acknowledging something greater than ourselves that is loving and kind and caring. I used to hate the word of God. I used to be very angry with my God in a lot of ways. I didn't understand why my mom was killed in an accident when I was 7 years old and I had no family show up for me. I was adopted. I didn't understand why I had a child with Down syndrome at 23 years old. I thought God was punishing me. No. So many different areas in my life, there were times where I just didn't feel loved at all. And now I can say, you know what? I'm going to find some more peace and understanding and serenity and understanding that there is a power greater than me. And I feel like that omnipresence is saving my life. With that being said, know that you are loved and you're never alone. Really, truly. This time of the year right now, it has been very, very stressful. So I'm gonna just keep praying, and I'm making spaghetti sauce. I know, comfort foods, right? Keeping myself busy. With that, be blessed. Please call somebody. Take care.